Hey y'all, you're always welcomed at Mima's house, where today we're making pumpkin chocolate chip cupcakes, perfect for your fall festivities. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. The dry ingredients are here, and the wet ingredients are here. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to write down the ingredients. We'll start preparing our batter by pulling together our dry ingredients, which is our flour, our cornstarch, and our seasonings. Next, let's get the wet ingredients together. I'm using some farm fresh eggs that a friend has donated to me straight from her chickens. Next, we'll add our vanilla paste and our oil. Now, certainly you can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla paste. Next, let's get our sugar in a bowl, brown sugar and white sugar. Now mix your egg and oil mixture just enough to break the yolk. Then you'll add it to your sugar. I'll start my mixer on a medium speed just so that I can incorporate the ingredients. After that, I will turn my mixer up to a high speed so that I can incorporate air into the egg mixture. You can always tell when the eggs have been whipped well, because then the mixture changes colors, it gets lighter, and the volume increases. Now let's go ahead and get our dry ingredients prepared. We'll just stir in our spices into our flour and cornstarch mixture. Now I'll add my chocolate chips because I want to coat the chocolate chips with the flour so that they can float in our batter instead of sink to the bottom of our batter. And as a matter of fact, I'm using regular sized chocolate chips because my family likes chocolate. So you can use the mini chocolate chips or you can use regular sized chocolate chips. Now it's time to add the egg mixture into the dry ingredients. At this time, we'll also add our pumpkin and our milk. it at a medium speed to get all the ingredients incorporated. Now I've lined my cupcake tin with 18 cupcake liners. I think that I'm going to need more looking at the batter, but we'll see. So for those cupcakes that I don't plan to put frosting on, I'm going to add some chocolate chips so that they will bake and the chocolate chips will decorate the tops of the cupcakes. And as you can see, I did have to add a couple more cupcake liners to accommodate for that extra batter. Now I'm putting my cupcakes into a 350-degree oven. And here are the cupcake liners that I'm using. Remember, we got these from the Dollar Tree. They are so cute, and I will link that video up above. Now it's been about 15 minutes and our cupcakes are ready. Ooh, these cupcakes have my house smelling fabulous. I'm going to let these cool completely. I'm going to put them on a rack, let them cool, and make my frosting. Now, while my cupcakes are cooling, let's go ahead and make the frosting. We'll start with 1 block, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, and 1 stick of softened butter. Cream cheese frosting goes well with any kind of cake, but it goes especially well with pumpkin cake. I'll add a dash of salt, and then I'll whip my cream cheese and butter together to make sure that they're well combined. Now let's add our powdered sugar. And yes, I did get my canister from TJ Maxx. Thank you very much, $7.99. And I'm adding about 1.5 cups of sugar. To that, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of milk. You'll want to add your milk slowly. I'm adding a tablespoon or so at a time so that I can determine what the consistency of my frosting is. Because you can put that milk in, but you can't take it out, so do it slowly. And when I say slowly, I mean a little at a time. Now, I like the consistency of this frosting, so I'm not adding any more milk. But if your frosting is thicker than you'd like for it to be, you can add just a little bit more milk. Now I'm going to fill my piping bag that has a star tip on it because I want my cupcakes to be pretty. The grandbabies are going to love these sprinkles, and I can almost guarantee you Peyton is going to love this frosting. Now for some of these cupcakes, I'm going to put a chocolate frosting on it, and all I did was added about 1/3 cup of chocolate powder, cocoa powder to my already made cream cheese frosting. It makes a delicious frosting. I'm putting it in the same piping bag so as to make a little bit of a swirl. I decided I'd change up the decorations that I'm putting on this cupcake so that whoever eats it will know that the frosting is just a little bit different. So I'm just star tipping it all over instead of making the rosette. Okay, so now I'm done frosting my cupcakes, and it is time to put them on display.
They look so good. I'm gonna try one of these
Okay,
because they got sprinkles on them.
of course. Is it good? Good. I'm glad.
The icing,
You like the cream cheese frosting?
yes, I love the cream cheese.
Let me see the inside of it. Oh, nice and moist. You like the chocolate chips? All right. Okay, y'all, so my taste tester said she likes it. And that's all I can ask for. So, I have made these little cupcakes for their Hallelujah Night celebration or Halloween. However you celebrate, whatever you do, whatever the fall festivities are that you participate in, have fun at it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Ain't nothing like pumpkin and a little bit of chocolate. Give it a try. Y'all be blessed. Bye.
Thanks so much for watching. Here are a couple of videos that I hope that you enjoy. Y'all be blessed. Bye.